Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Most people don't have a money problem, they have a rules problem. No matter how much you earn, if you ignore these 5 financial rules, you'll always feel broke, stressed, or stuck. But the good news: mastering them is easier than you think. In this video, I'll break down the 5 unbreakable financial rules that the wealthy swear by, and show you exactly how to apply them starting today. If you're ready to take control of your money and build real wealth, you're in the right place. In a world driven by consumerism, endless financial noise, and often conflicting money advice, knowing which rules to follow can be a game changer. While personal finance is indeed personal, there are universal principles that stand the test of time, rules that can serve as your compass no matter your income level, career path, or lifestyle. Rule number 1. Spend less than you earn. If you can't live on less than you make, no amount of income will ever be enough. This is the golden rule of personal finance. It seems simple, because it is, but its simplicity often leads people to underestimate its importance. Why it matters: spending less than you earn creates the gap that allows for saving, investing, and breathing room. Without this gap, you are one emergency away from financial disaster. You could earn $500,000 a year, but if you spend $510,000, you're still going backward. Common mistakes: lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, so does your spending. New car, bigger house, fancier clothes, it all eats away at the margin. Social comparison. Trying to keep up with peers on Instagram or in your neighborhood can lead you into dangerous territory. Financial decisions based on image are rarely wise. Underestimating small expenses. It's not always the big purchases. Daily coffees, subscriptions, and delivery fees add up fast. Rule number 2. Avoid bad debt. Leverage good debt. Debt is a tool. When misused, it's a trap. When used wisely, it's a ladder. Not all debt is created equal. Understanding the difference is crucial for making sound financial decisions. Bad debt versus good debt. Bad debt: high-interest consumer debt, especially credit card balances, payday loans, or financing depreciating assets. Good debt: debt that helps you acquire assets or increase your future earning potential, such as student loans, used wisely, business loans, or real estate financing. Why bad debt hurts: it creates a compounding drain on your net worth. Interest charges reduce your ability to invest or save. It promotes a mindset of buying now and dealing with consequences later. The power of good debt: mortgages can enable home ownership or real estate investment. Business loans can scale operations and increase revenue. Strategic leverage, used carefully, can accelerate wealth building. How to apply it: eliminate high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off any debt with interest over 7 to 8%. Use the avalanche or snowball method. Pay off the highest interest debts first, avalanche, or start with the smallest balance, snowball, to gain momentum. Be strategic with new debt. Before taking on any debt, ask yourself, will this put money in my pocket or take it out? Master debt, and you master one of the most dangerous yet powerful forces in personal finance. Rule number 3. Invest early and consistently. Time in the market beats timing the market. Investing is no longer optional. If you want to retire comfortably, beat inflation, and grow wealth, investing is the engine that makes it possible. Why investing matters: inflation erodes the value of money. $1 today won't buy the same in 10 years. Compound interest rewards patience. The earlier you start, the more exponential your growth becomes. Wages alone don't build wealth. Your income earns money. Investments make your money earn money. Rule number 4. Build and protect an emergency fund. A strong offense builds wealth, but a good defense keeps it. Your emergency fund is your financial armor. It keeps you from relying on debt when life inevitably throws a curveball. Why you need 1. Unexpected expenses. Medical bills, car repairs, job loss. It happens to everyone. Peace of mind. Knowing you're covered lowers stress and reduces bad decision-making. Avoids derailing progress. Without a cushion, one setback can wipe out months or years of savings and investing progress. How much is enough? Starter emergency fund, $1,000 for those still in debt. Fully funded, 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. If your job is unstable or you're self-employed, aim for the higher end. Rule number 5. Know your financial goals and make a plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Financial clarity is power. You can't hit a target you can't see. That's why setting specific, measurable goals, and crafting a strategy to reach them, is a non-negotiable part of financial success. Why goals matter? They give your money purpose. They help you prioritize between wants versus needs. They make daily decisions easier because you know what you're aiming for. Types of financial goals: short-term, save $5,000 for a vacation, pay off a credit card in 6 months. Mid-term, buy a home, fund a wedding, start a business. Long-term, retire early, achieve financial independence, leave a legacy. Final thoughts: mastering the fundamentals. You don't need to be a financial guru to achieve freedom. You just need to follow the rules that have guided successful people for generations. Spend less than you earn. Avoid bad debt, leverage good debt. Invest early and consistently. Build and protect an emergency fund. Set goals and make a plan. These 5 rules are not just steps, they're a mindset. They are the habits and disciplines that turn financial stress into financial strength. Apply them with patience, consistency, and self-awareness, and you will unlock a level of control over your life that few ever achieve. If you found value in these 5 rules, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more money smart content, and drop a comment below. Which of these rules are you already following, and which one do you need to work on? And remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about rules, habits, and discipline. You've got this.